Okay, kiddo. When you are working with numbers, operating with numbers, you have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You're dealing not only with the numbers, but also with the signs. And if you don't pay attention, the signs can cause you a lot of trouble. Now, we're gonna review the signs. The rules for the signs. We have two different sets of rules, whether we are in addition and subtraction or multiplication and division. Let's review the rules for addition and subtraction. Suppose this smiley face is the sign for addition, and this guy here is the sign for subtraction. This is addition, this is subtraction. We have two numbers. Suppose this is 5 and this one is 8. 5 and 8. This one has a minus sign in front of it, and this a plus. Usually we don't write the plus sign. If you see a number with no sign, it is a plus. If I have to operate on these two numbers, doing an addition or subtraction, how do I operate? What do I do? The rule is, if the first number is, let's say, a positive, and the second number is also a positive, so I have two smiley faces, what operation do I perform? I perform an addition, and the result will be a smiley face, a positive. Alright? If the signs are both positive, I do an addition, and the result will be a positive. What happens if the signs are negative? Let's say I have here, if the first is a negative, the second is also a negative, what do you think I have here?
A negative.
Yeah, I have two negatives. In terms of operations, what do I do? Do I do a subtraction or addition?
Subtraction.
If the signs are both negative, I'm gonna have also an addition. That means I add the two numbers, but the result will be a negative. When the signs are the same, when they look alike, I have an addition. And I keep the sign, the same sign. If they were both positive, I add the numbers, and my result will be a positive, smiley face. If they both negative, I also do an addition, but the result will be negative. Now, this is the part where it gets tricky. If my first number is positive and the second number is negative, what do I have?
Subtraction.
Exactly. I have a subtraction and the result
Will be
what sign is the result?
positive.
Ha ha ha. The result we don't know. We don't know that what the result will be.
It depends on the numbers.
Exactly. When the numbers have different signs, in terms of operation, I know I have a subtraction. But what's the result? I don't know. It depends on the numbers. It depends on which number is the largest. Which one, is it the positive or the negative? So I do a subtraction. If the largest number is the positive one, the result will be positive. If the largest number is negative, the result will be negative. Okay? So that's the key. Do you understand this?
Yes.
You understand this table? Good. Now, what do you think if we work a few problems? You think you're ready for it?
Yes.
Very good, very good. Plus 8 plus 4. What is plus 8 plus 4? What do I do here? What operations do I have?
Addition.
Good. I have addition. And what's the result?
Plus 12.
Plus 12. Very good.
Plus 12.
Okay? So you could have written 12 because when it's plus, we just don't write the sign.
If it's negative, then we need to write.
All right. What if I had negative 6 minus 7? What do I have here?
Subtraction?
Are you sure?
No. Addition.
I have addition. Are you sure?
Yes.
Good. I have addition. Why do you think it's addition?
Because they're the same sign.
Exactly, because the two numbers have the same sign. I do addition. So what's the result?
Negative 6 minus 7. 13.
Exactly. 13, but what's the sign?
Negative 13.
Negative 13. Easy peasy. Very good. All right. What if I had 15, positive 15, minus 25? What do I have here?
Subtraction.
I have a subtraction. How do I know that?
Because the signs are different.
The signs are different. Like here I have a smiley face, here I have a frowny face. Okay, so I subtract. I do 25 minus 15 would be 10. So here I know I have a subtraction. 25 minus 15 is 10. And what's the sign?
Negative.
Negative. How do I know that?
Because the signs are different.
Because 25 is the largest number and it is negative. You got it. Congratulations.